in the Commonwealth Games will be exposure and future performance. When we talk of future performance, we have African Games coming up in Ghana next year, and most importantly, we have the Olympic Games coming up in 2024. So for the teams the basic target is not medals, then it will be exposure and build up in preparation for the future events. Why do we do this? Because we feel as a country, there are some sports which have been doing very well, but once the top players or the top teams reach their retirement period, you find that we do not have another team to be able to pick up. And therefore, we felt Commonwealth gives us a very, very good platform to be able to start exposing players.
Because without the government, we will not be here today. They've done everything possible to ensure that this camp runs professionally. Our athletes are looked after well. Everything is catered for. And so that's the reason we are thanking the government of the Republic of Kenya